Hi friends, welcome to Lovely Speaks channel. Today in this video we will see code of how to change years to hours. इस कोड में हम सीखेंगे कैसे कोई यूज़र अपना एज डालेगा तो उसका ईयर्स को ऐप आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करके आउटपुट देगा। यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं टूल बॉक्स है। टूल बॉक्स में यूआई कंट्रोल्स, डेटा कंट्रोल, वेरिएबल्स ये सब है। वर्क स्पेस आप देख सकते हैं राइट साइड में है। ये क्या है, एक हमारा नोट पैड समझ सकते हैं जिसमें हम कोड लिखेंगे और उससे हमारा ऐप क्रिएट होगा। इस साइड लेफ्ट में आप देख सकते हैं कोड, डिज़ाइन और डेटा है। कोड क्या है, जिसमें कि हम कोड करके कुछ ऐप बनाते हैं। डिज़ाइन मोड क्या है, जिसमें हम ब्लॉक मोड में जा कर के ऐप बना रहे हैं। और ये देख रहे हैं मोबाइल स्क्रीन जैसा एक स्क्रीन दिख रहा है, स्क्रीन 1 लिखा हुआ। ये क्या है, मोबाइल सिमुलेटर है। जो भी हम आउटपुट देखना चाहेंगे तो इस ऐप में जो हमें आउटपुट दिखता है वो इस स्क्रीन पर हमें दिखेगा। तो आइए हम देखते हैं कैसे इस ऐप से हम जो भी यूज़र एज डालेगा उसको आवर्स में चेंज करेंगे। तो हम देखते हैं कि हमको आउटपुट कैसा चाहिए। ये जो मोबाइल सिमुलेटर है उसमें हमें दिख रहा है, ये लेबल किया हुआ है योर एज इन ईयर्स। ये लेबल किया रहेगा, उसमें पूछ रहा है कि आपका एज कितना है यूजर से। ये एक टेक्स्ट बॉक्स है जिसमें 14 लिखा हुआ है। तो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में हमको अपना एज डालना रहेगा, जैसे अभी 14 डाला हुआ है। उसके बाद है योर एज इन आवर्स। ये लेबल है जो कि शो कर रहा है आउटपुट। तो आउटपुट नीचे आप देख सकते हैं 5118.4 डॉट डॉट 001 है। तो वो क्या शो कर रहा है कि 14 ईयर्स को जब आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो वो कितना आएगा। और नीचे जो देख रहे हैं ब्लू कलर का कैलकुलेट, इस पर जब हम क्लिक करते हैं तो हमारा ईयर्स को आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करता है, तब हमारा वो ऐप फंक्शन करता है। तो इसके लिए हमें क्या क्या ज़रूरत है, लेबल, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स, फिर लेबल, फिर बटन। ओके ओके नवीन, आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस कोडिंग दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, we will code here. First we will go in design mode and then we will drag drop label button. Okay, ID will be label 1 only. Text we will rename. What we will rename here? Because we are doing this program for converting the age in years, so we will label here your age in years.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so see, ये for this label we use app. Okay, what we are writing here, what is your age. Okay, let me uh, write this your age in years. Okay, see here in text it is showing, and here in mobile simulator it is changing your age in years. And here you can see width and height. What is this width and height? Do you know, any idea you have?
No, ma'am.
Okay, see, width and height is what? X and Y dimension it is showing. That is, X is from left to right distance and Y is from top to bottom. Okay, we can change width and height from here. See, when we are dragging and dropping, X and Y value is changing. So now we will drag and drop one label. Label is what? To show what we are doing here. अब क्या करना है, एज को हमको यूजर से इनपुट लेना है। उसके लिए हम क्या लिए हैं, टेक्स्ट इनपुट। टेक्स्ट इनपुट का अब हम चाहते हैं कि फॉन्ट साइज चेंज करें, तो इसमें हम फॉन्ट साइज चेंज करके 30 लिख दिए। अब इसका हम बैकग्राउंड कलर भी चेंज कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए क्या किए, कलर ऑप्शन में गए, विच कलर यू वांट? स्काई ब्लू। ओके, स्काई ब्लू ले लिए। अब क्या, इसमें गए और इसका अलाइनमेंट सेट कर रहे हैं। एक्स और वाई का जो अलाइनमेंट है, वी आर चेंजिंग दैट। ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
in mobile simulator we are changing and setting alignment. We can also change font family, which is a styling of the text. Now we are changing width to 257. See how we are changing. We can also drag and drop the label text according to our simulator, how we want to represent it. See, we have not changed ID, it is only text input one. And now we will take one label. For what? To show the output. In output, what it will show? Your age in years. And in output, what it will show? Years, your age in hours. Okay, then we are changing its text, your age in hours. See, we can drag and drop and set alignment. Now we can change its width, height, x position, y position, text color, font size, etc. See, I choose red color in text color, and now your age in hours is showing in red color. Now we will change height. Height we put 64. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. And now I am changing capital H for hours, and width I am setting to 250. Okay, and I am adjusting it in mobile simulator. And now we can set background color of your age in hours also, x position, y position, anything according to our requirement we can change here. See, we are changing by setting alignment. And now what we have to do? We have to put one label again. For what? When mobile app will convert it, it will show there. We change x position to 50. Okay, and width to 257. According to our need we can change it. Now we will take one label to show age in hours. So we drag and drop one label, and in that label we have we don't want to show any text. That will be empty. When result will come, it will show there. See, we are increasing width of the label and height of the label up to 74. I set height. And after that, what we have to do? We have to set code. What code we need, that we will set in code mode. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, I am setting width according to my need. It's 200. And now I will set it alignment, drag and drop according to first label and second label will be in same parallel way. Okay, so we will go in code mode for writing code. कोड क्या चीज़ के लिए लिखेंगे? एज को जो कि ईयर्स में है उसको आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. वी विल ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप ऑन इवेंट विच इज व्हेन बटन विल क्लिक. फॉर दिस वी हैव टू create one button also for calculate. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
here we put one button in design mode, and we will rename button text as calculate. So I am changing here as calculate. And you can also change background color of this calculate. So we will go and change background color. You can choose any color. I am choosing here blue. You can choose as per your need or favorite color. Okay, and now what we will change? We will change font size to see it bigger. Then font size I am setting 30, and for 30 I have to set width and height again to 200, and according to alignment I will drag and drop that calculate also in between of mobile simulator. Okay, and mobile simulator I am aligning it and setting X position and Y position. What is px? Actually X position and Y position is in pixel. Px is pixel. Okay, X position I set 80 and Y position I am setting according to my alignment. And now what we have to code, that how it will calculate years in hours. So in 1 year there is 365 days. Okay, so we will write code. We will go in code mode, and on event I will click on this black. You can see it. See, calculate. Its ID is button 1. So I will click here on black. It will show drop down mode. From there I will select button 1, and from here when button will be click, what we have to calculate? Years in hours. So I will select set number. See, I will select set number ID comma number. So what is ID? We have to calculate what's when we will click ID, there it is level 3. Level 3 we have to calculate. Okay, and ID is what? When user will give years, we have to multiply it and give answer in hours. So we will go in math and do some math. Here I will choose multiply and write there what we have to multiply. 365 point, we will write here 365.6, and after that what we have to multiply? What user will be give text, that is your age in years text. So get text I will set there. Whatever user will give, that will automatically taken in get text. Okay, okay Naveen.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then I am clicking on calculate, and by user it will enter any input, like I am clicking 14. Then it will convert that age in hours. So what is the output? Naveen, 5118.4 so on 0001. So here years is converted in hours. You also have to do this activity in activity 1, 2, etc. Now I am doing. Again you have to do these all activities. That time you have to share a screen and I will see how you are doing, whether you understand it or not. We can also change color of the calculate. From here text color, we can also change X position, Y position, and I am changing here text alignment. Okay, what is text alignment? जो भी हम मोबाइल सिमुलेटर में शो कर रहे हैं, we have to see it in left or right or in center, that is text alignment. Here we are choosing text color in green. Whatever hours will it come, it will show in green color. Here I am setting font size as 30. So we can see it very clearly. Now nothing is input, so it is showing 0 hours. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So again we put 14 and it's showing output. That's all about years to hours.